वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैथ्स वर्ल्ड जीएम सर चैनल। आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। नमस्कार। आज इस चैनल में हम छोटी क्लास में जो कॉन्सेप्ट सीखते हैं, लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, जिसको हम एलसीएम बोलते हैं। और ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है एलसीएम का, वो बेसिक मैथ्स सीखने के लिए हर क्लास में 4th से लेके 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 और इसके आगे भी ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत यूज़फुल है। तो बचपन में अगर बच्चे इस कॉन्सेप्ट को ध्यान से सीख लेते हैं तो आगे जाके बड़ी क्लास में उनको मैथ्स में कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, मैथ्स के सम सॉल्व करने में कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है। इसलिए इस कॉन्सेप्ट को बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से सीखना ज़रूरी है। आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे और एक नोटबुक और एक पेन अपने पास रखेंगे तो जैसे जैसे हम सम करते जाएंगे आप पॉइंट को नोट आउट करना है और समझना है। वीडियो को आपको लाइक कर देना है और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना है। अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी इसे शेयर करना है, शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। जैसे जैसे हम सम्स करेंगे, करने के बाद में आप नोट करने के बाद आप सारे सम को एक बार फिर से करके देखेंगे और ध्यान से समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। अगर आपको कोई डाउट हो वो सम्स सॉल्व करने में या दूसरे किसी सम को सॉल्व करने में, तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं, कमेंट में अपना डाउट पूछ सकते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं एलसीएम क्या है और इसके कितने मेथड्स हैं सॉल्व करने के। 1 by 1 हम इसको देखेंगे। टुडे यू विल लर्न हाउ टू फाइंड द LCM of numbers. LCM. What is the meaning of LCM? LCM means least common multiple. So first we must understand the meaning of multiple and what is the meaning of common and what is the meaning of least. Multiple means we know already multiplication tables. So what are multiples? Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, etc. So from this we have understood that there are uncountable multiples for any number. Now multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Understood what are the multiples of various numbers. Now multiple of odd numbers, we have to find what is the meaning of common. So what are common multiples of 2? Multiples of 2, 3 and 4. Common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. Now we can see 2 is not present in all, 4 is not present in all, 6 is not present in all, and 8 is also not present in all, 10 is not present in all, then 12. Now we have found that 12 is present in all numbers. So that means 12 is the common multiple. And after this we will get 24 in 2, and 3 also we will get 24, and 4 also we will get 24. So after this 24 will be the common multiple for the 2, 3 and 4. Now after this if we move after the 24 we will find 36 in the 2 table, and 36 is also the multiple of 3, and 36 is also the multiple of 4. So now we have found that there are so many common multiples. So the common multiples of 2, 3 and 4 are 12, 24, 36, and it is going on. That means there are so many common multiples for 2, 3 and 4. Out of all these common multiples, we found that 12 is the least common multiple. So when we want to write the least common multiple, then it is 12. Multiple of 2, 3, 4 is 12. Now this is one of the method of finding the least common multiple of the numbers, but we easily get for the smaller numbers like 2, 3 and 4. If we get somewhat bigger numbers, then it is very difficult to find the least common multiple. Therefore, now we have understood that this method is useful only for finding the LCM when we have the small numbers like 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, like this one digit number. And suppose we have two digit number like 12, 15, 18, then this method is very much lengthier, because the common multiple we will get so far from this, and for writing the common multiples it will take much longer time. So this method is not very much useful for finding the LCM of greater numbers. So now let us have some other method for finding the LCM. So we will find now the LCM by factorization method, finding the factors, prime factors, finding LCM using prime factorization. So suppose find the LCM, we have the question, find the LCM of 12, 15, 18. Then how to find the LCM using prime factorization method? So first we will find the prime factors of 12. Prime factors of 12. So what are the prime factors we have to find? For 12, first we have to always divide by 2. So it is 12 is divisible by 2. We remember the divisibility rule in 2 table, 12 6 times, in 2 table 6 3 times. Then it is 3 is not the multiple of 2, therefore next we have to take 3. So in 3 table 1 time. Prime factors of 15 are, first we have to divide by 2, but 15 is not the multiple of 2, therefore we have to start with 3. So in 3, 15 5 times, and in 5 1 time, and the prime factors of 18 are 2 table 9 times, 3 times, and 3 1 time. So after finding the prime factors of all the 3, we have to write prime factors of 12, 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3, and prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5, and prime factors of 18 are prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to find the product of the prime factors which is common in all the 3. So we can see that 3 is not common in this, and 5 is not common. So first we have to circle the common factors like this. So the LCM, first write the common factors, then the factors which are not common we have to write. 2 is common, so one time we will write that 2, and this 2 also we will write, this 3 we will write, and this 5 we will write. So this is how we will write all the prime factors, and we will find the product of that numbers. So one by one we have to find. We find the product in pairs, 3 into 2, then 2 into 3, 3 into 2 6, again 2 into 3 6, and again 5. So it is 6 6 are 36 into 5, which is equal to 180, and therefore this is how we have to find the LCM of the numbers using prime factorization method. And 180 is the least common multiple of 12, 15 and 18. So this method is very much useful for finding the LCM. This is prime factorization method. And next, one more method we have for the larger number than 2-digit number, and that method is long division method or division method. We will see in the next. So friends, you have learned how to find the least common multiple using common factors, common multiples, and also by finding the prime factor by taking the prime factors of the given numbers. And now to find the LCM of the larger number, then we have to use the long division method of finding the LCM. So finding LCM of numbers using long division method or division method. So we have the problem finding the LCM of find the LCM of 15, 36 and 72. Then how to find? By using long division method. In this method we will take all the three numbers together, 15, 36, 72. Here we must be careful. We distribute the numbers by writing the comma in between them, and first of all we have to use the prime numbers like 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11. Like these prime numbers in order we have to use. So first we will take 2. If any one of these 3 is divisible by 2, then we have to divide by 2. So first we will take that 36 is divisible by 2 and 72 is divisible by 2. Therefore we will take by divide by 2. And if the number is not divisible, any number is not divisible, then simply we will write the same number. We can put comma, or we can also draw the lines between them, vertical lines. And 36 in 2, it is 18 times, and 72 is 36 times. One method we can have here. First we will divide this 7 into 3 times, and 1 is remaining, a small 1 we can write here in between them. And next we will take 1 to 12. then 1 to 12 in 2 it is 6 times. Like this we can have some method for dividing the numbers. Next again 18 is divisible by 2 and 36 is divisible by 2. So again we will take 2 and divide by 2. So the 15 is not divisible, so same 15 we will write 18 9 times and 36 18 times. Still we find that 18 is divisible, so again we will take 2 and divide it. So 15 as not divisible, so same, 9 is not divisible, so same, and 18 9 times. Now we found that no number out of these 3 is divisible by 2, therefore we next take 3. So all these 3 numbers are divisible by 3. So by taking 3, we will divide 15 in 3 table 5 times, 9 in 3 table 3 times, and this 9 is also 3 times. Next again this 3 we have, so we take 3 and divide it by 3. So 5 is not divisible, so write 5 as it is, and 3 one time and 3 one time, and finally we have 5. So at last we will take 5 and here we will get 1. This is already 1 and this is already 1. Till we get 1 in every place we have to divide, and going on divide till we get the 1. And finally whatever the factors we have written outside, we will find the product of them and we will write the LCM. So finally we will write the LCM of 15, 36, 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. We can write 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and into 5. Finally into 5. Then first we will find the product of pairs. Then it is 2 2 is 4, then 2 3 is 6, 2 3 5 is 15 we will write, and then we will write 4 into 15 6 we can write 15 6 is what? 15 6 15 3 45 into 2 90. So then 4 into 90 360. So 360 is the least common multiple of 15, 36 and 72. So we have found LCM by division method, and we have learned all the 3 methods. So where the concept of LCM is used, we must know that LCM is very much useful for converting the unlike fractions into like fractions, unlike rational numbers into like rational numbers. While finding the addition of unlike fractions and rational numbers, we will use the concept of LCM, and also it is very much useful in all signals. We can see that red, green and yellow light. If timings we are setting in that method, LCM is useful for setting the timings, and also this LCM is very much useful in the concept of speed, work and time. By taking the LCM we can find in speed when all the vehicles are going to meet at the all together. Like that, so many concepts are there in LCM. It is very much useful. This concept is very much useful. So that's why we are learning how to find the LCM of numbers. So that's it in this video. We will have some other concept like HCF in the coming classes. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.